Let's go to guided practice 4. We are given the coordinates of A, B, C are collinear. Find A and B. Collinear means vector AB equals K times vector AC. Vector AB, we will use coordinates to figure out this vector. Remember, easy, ending minus starting. Coordinates of B is 11, -9, 7. Minus coordinates of A is 2, -3, 4. Equals. Change sign. Plus, then opposite. We got 9, -6, 3. Then for vector AC equals coordinates of C, -13, AB, minus vector of A, 2, -3, 4, equals, change sign, plus, negative, positive, negative. -15, A plus 3, B minus 4. So vector AB equals K times vector AC. We got 9, -6, 3 equals K times -15, A plus 3, B minus 4. We can figure out this K by using the first row. 9 equals K times -15. So we divided by -15 both sides. K equals -3/5. Therefore, from second row, we can get -6 equals -3/5 times A plus 3. From third row, we can get 3 equals -3/5 times B minus 4. Solve these two linear equations. Get rid of the denominator times 5 both sides. -30 equals distributive property -3A minus 9. So -3A equals, add 9 both sides, -21. A equals 7. Times 5 both sides, 15. Then -3 times B, -3B, -3 times -4 plus 12. Minus 12 both sides, 3 equals -3B. So B equals -1. Remember this rule, collinear means vector AB equals K times vector AC. Let's go to guided practice 5. We are given vector PQ, RQ, and RS. We are looking for vector SP. You will get started from this S. What's given? Just check the given vectors with the alphabet S, RS. So we write down SR plus, then R, we got RQ, then plus QP. Just make sure you get started with this S, ending with this P. Vector SR equals negative RS, get opposite, 0, negative 1, 1, plus RQ, negative 2, 2, negative 6, plus QP, which is the opposite of vector PQ, 3, 0, 4. Then we adding this together. 0 minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Negative 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus negative 6 plus 4 is negative 1. So vector SP equals 1, 1, negative 1. Let's go to guided practice 6. A. Consider the vectors A and B such that A equals 12, negative 5 and magnitude of vector B equals 15. Consider the vectors A and B such that vector A equals 12, negative 5 and magnitude of vector B equals 15. Find the possible range of values for absolute value of vector A plus vector B. We do know when vector A and vector B have the same direction, absolute value of vector A plus vector B equals absolute value of vector A plus absolute value of vector B. This is the maximum. When vector A and vector B have the opposite direction, then absolute value of vector A plus vector B equals, let's check the length of vector A and B. Which one is bigger? Absolute value of vector A equals square root 12 squared plus negative 5 squared equals square root 169 equals 13. We know vector B is longer than vector A. So absolute value of vector B minus absolute value of vector A. This is the minimum value. Therefore, for question A, absolute value of vector A plus vector B less than or equal to absolute value of vector A plus absolute value of vector B greater than or equal to absolute value of vector B minus absolute value of vector A. Do the substitution. We got absolute value of vector A plus vector B less than or equal to 13 plus 15 greater than or equal to 15 minus 13, which means the absolute value of vector A plus vector B less than or equal to 28, greater than or equal to 2. Let's go to B. Consider the vector P such that vector P equals vector A plus vector B. Given that absolute value of vector A plus vector B is a minimum, find P. Based on this information, we know vector A and vector B have the opposite direction. In other words, we can write down vector B equals k times vector A. This k is a negative real numbers. Take an absolute value both sides. Then do the substitution. Absolute value of vector B is 15 equals absolute value of k times absolute value of vector A is 13. So we get absolute value of k equals 15 over 13. Since k is a negative number, k equals negative 15 over 13. Therefore, for vector P equals vector A plus vector B, we got 1 minus 15 over 13 times 12 negative 5 equals negative 2 over 13 times 12 negative 5 equals negative 12 over 13 times 12, negative 24 over 13, negative 2 over 13 times negative 5, 10 over 13.